Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
And presently exchanges close $0.05. The MA50 sort of is as of now at $0.95, which truly is genuinely critical. AMP's sort of appearances medium-term obstruction at $0.06, which in every way that really matters is very huge. AMP records kind of. Descending development today. 28 February 2024. In this video, we will truly walk you through AMP cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these as often as possible, explicitly clarified pressing issues facts, what truly is in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for AMP. Certainly is AMP a truly wise venture, or so they fundamentally thought. AMP support and opposition levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. However, prior to jumping certainly profound into the AMP specialized examination, most certainly allowed us basically to discuss the kind of current economic situations, which by and large is genuinely critical. Market investigation. Over the sort of last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 184%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to 237, 612, 272, 306, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The especially all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $163, 559, 595, 3074, showing how yet prior to jumping truly profound into the AMP specialized examination, in a real sense let us basically discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin shares 53-57% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16-33%, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658% in a genuinely significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 181% coming to $305.31 during the past 24 hours, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $410.08, following a value change of 384% inside a similar time span in a for the most part large manner. Sol, the sort of local coin of Solana in every way that really matters, is up by 4.2 and at present exchanging at $112.25, exhibiting how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 181% coming to $305.31 during the past 24 hours in a sort of large manner. Furthermore, XRP came to $1.57 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 407% in esteem, or so they generally thought. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in every practical sense, descending heading for genuinely present moment, which basically is genuinely huge. As of now, an especially broad, truly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing that market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 184%, bringing the really whole digital money market to $237, 612, 272, 306 in a very large manner. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized markers used to truly distinguish essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth in a quite huge manner. Support basically is a level at which purchases for the most part become significantly more in every practical sense, dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any sort of further. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which vendors really become moved genuinely dynamic, and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So support explicitly is a level at which purchases especially become sort of more especially dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally is genuinely huge. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP really is at $5 down 2.7% in the kind of beyond 24 hours and explicitly has a value change of 26% over the course of the week. So support basically is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become kind of more genuinely dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling and especially further in a kind of huge manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is 528,737 USD, while kind of all-out market cap came to $206.66,187 USD in an unpretentious manner. There explicitly are practically 42,227,702,186 truly are available for use out of 99,213,480,535, showing that one-day exchanging volume for BTC essentially is 528,737 USD, while especially all out market cap came to $206.66,187 USD, or so they generally thought. AMP Value Examination AMP Cost Investigation for 28 February 2024 inside a very everyday time span in a real sense made sense of underneath, exhibiting how which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658%, which essentially is genuinely critical. We utilize truly relative strength indexes, moving sort of normal combination and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving pretty normal SMA and remarkable moving sort of normal AMA to examine the future development of the AMP, truly further appearance how AMP generally faces medium-term obstruction at $0.06 in a very large manner, while AMP's Williams %R marker fundamentally is at 61.1856 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange especially signal essentially is conceivable at this reach, showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is 528,737 USD, while especially all-out market cap came to $206.66,187 USD in a really significant manner. The MACD line basically is remaining underneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid, showing how AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized markers used to especially recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting how AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. AMP financial backers need to sort of hang tight for any directional change over the genuinely day-to-day diagram, which sort of shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a cost increment of 181% coming to $305.31 during the past 24 hours, which in every practical sense is very critical. The main help level for AMP basically is at $1.05, while the by and large second one especially is at $1.04. Certainly further appearance how AMP financial backers need to, for the most part, sit tight for any directional change over the sort of everyday outline, which sort of shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 181% coming to $305.31 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While taking about obstruction, the AMP for the most part has R1 and R2 at $0.05, and R6 separately, showing how similarly opposition certainly is a level at which merchants by and large become move kind of dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So support for the most part is a level at which purchasers really become in every practical sense more sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they most certainly thought. RSI suggesting solidification stage while exchanging at 40.